is Angela, and this is probably the most exciting video I've ever filmed in my life because this is my new book. I wrote a book. Cannot believe it. I started it in August 2017 and it is March 2000. There's a spine. Oh my god. I'm so excited. So I started it and there's some dust on it, but oh my god. And look, it has an ISBN number on it and the scan code thing. Oh my god. I'm nervous. It looks so good though. It's called Snap DC. Like oh snap. Oh snap DC. Oh my god. It looks so good. Okay. So I started this in August 2017 and it's March 2018 and I can't believe it's been that long, but I kinda can. I don't know, I'm just rambling. I'm so nervous. Oh my god. I cannot believe I'm holding this. Ooh. Ooh, the paper's kind of matte. Ooh, that looks good. Oh no, that's wrong. That's a mistake right there. Look. So, okay, so look. There's one of my images, but then it goes to the other side. See, it's like here, and then it goes to there, and it's not supposed to be like that. But oh my god, it looks good. This paper is like, I don't know why, I was expecting like a glossy sheen. Oh, it happened over there too. Oh no, I have to fix that. Damn, I thought it was gonna be perfect, but it looks so good. So basically this book is everything you need to know about, it's weird. Oh no, it did it again. Okay, so this book is everything you need to know about shooting in DC. Like if you're coming here for a weekend or a week or something like that. I get tons of emails of people asking me where they should go or where they should park. You know, my favorite places. You know, I only have an afternoon. Where should I go? And this is basically everything I know about shooting in DC, the National Monument, the memorials, everything. But the pictures look really good. All the images, ooh, but some of it is not correct. Oh, that's why it's called a first draft. But look, wait, hold on, let me show you a good page. Oh no, that's not right either. Still so excited though. This is so cool to see my pictures like this. See my images like this. Oh my god. Look, this looks so good, but it's cut off. Oh my god, look, they're cut off. But it looks so good. Yeah, so it's just all my camera settings, a little description of where I went to go, why I chose to go to that place at that time. Look, it's the Library of Congress, my favoriteest interior ever, inside of the National Mall. And even my favorite places outside of the National Mall. And I have little maps here, and they're so cute. I love them. Oh my god. Cherry blossoms. This is so nice. This is really nice. So I created these on CreateSpace, and this is a glossy cover. And I was debating between the glossy and matte because I heard, or I read some reviews that they said that the matte cover can leave fingerprints, but the glossy cover can be curled up a little bit. So I don't know, I just figured the glossy would be good. But I do like the way that it turned out. It looks so good. Oh my god. I cannot believe I have a book. Alright, so obviously things need to be changed, but this is really, really cool. Oh my god. So excited. There's going to be a part 2 to this, obviously, because this ain't done. So it's about a month later, and I've been working really hard at fixing all those formatting issues and things like that in the first draft. And second one just came in, and I cannot wait to open this because hopefully this turns out well. But I'm also really excited to see the cover. I changed a few things on the cover, and this one is a matte version of the cover instead of glossy because I wanted to see what the difference is. Okay, I definitely like the glossy better. Here's the glossy one. I don't know, I just think that it's more vibrant and a little bit more exciting. I don't know if you could tell on camera, but you could definitely tell in person. And I just like the feel of the glossy better. I don't know. It's nice, but I do like... This is like so, like, I don't know, it's like, I'm not a fan of it. I like the glossy, but glossy, and then we changed the back cover a lot too. So the pages are still the same inside. The printing quality and all that stuff between the glossy and the matte, it all looks the same. Ah, looks so good. Cannot wait for you guys to see this. It looks so nice. Oh. Oh. I don't know what else to say. I'm so excited. I'm so glad these are in my hands and cannot wait to look through it more carefully. And look, we also added a little camera on the spine. But so excited to look through this and get this out there. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, it's Angela, and this is probably the most exciting video I've ever filmed in my life. Hey guys, it's Angela. I need to calm down.